Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Introducing the KS Tools Titan Plus Side Cutter, 160 millimeters. This tool is engineered for precision and durability, cutting through all types of wire with ease. Crafted from titanium, it is 100% anti-magnetic and rust-proof, perfect for any job site. Weighing in at just 132 grams, it is up to 42% lighter than steel, making it a breeze to handle. The two-component handle ensures comfort and reduces fatigue, while its extreme mechanical and thermal load capacity guarantees longevity. With a cutting length of 22.5 millimeters and precision ground edges, you can count on the KS Tools Titan Plus Side Cutter for clean, efficient cuts every time. Get ready to elevate your toolkit with this exceptional side cutter.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.